1. Dig a hole. If you are planting your flowers from seed, you will usually only need to plant your seeds a quarter inch, 0.6 centimeters, deep, but it is important to check the specific planting recommendations for any flower you want to plant to find out how deep to plant them. A transplanted/potted flower will need a hole as deep as the root ball that it comes with. Flowers don't need to be smothered with soil, so burying that deep isn't necessary. Read the packet for any specific recommendations on the size of the hole. Depending on the species of flower, you may need to dig a shallower hole. 2. Get out your flowers. This step is mainly for potted flowers that are being transplanted. While the flowers are still in a plastic pot, water them heavily to drench the soil. Then, pull the flowers out of the pot and gently break up the root ball with your fingers. This will help the roots of the flowers to grow out into the soil, rather than back into a confined lump. 3. Feed your flowers. Putting a bit of slow-release food for flowers, similar to fertilizer, will help new plants to grow quickly. Add a few tablespoons to the bottom of each hole, and gently incorporate it into the soil with your fingers. 4. Plant your flowers. Place each plant into the individual holes prepared for them. Use your hands to fill in the empty space around each flower and cover the top of the root ball. Avoid adding much soil to the top of the flower. The stem of the flowers should never be covered by the dirt.